So hi everyone, I'm here to share my experience with the Bow House. So why I choose them? Certainly, I visited one of the housewarming, nearby, and when I entered the house, it was like wow. Me and my wife and my family had a discussion like this looks really nice, and eventually that house was like one of my friends, my dad's friends, and then first time I met Shilpi over there. So after that, there was 2 or 3 months of time, certainly, and we did not, go through anywhere else. We looked through all the videos, and we already saw the work, in front of us, and it was impeccable. We loved it. Whatever we thought of it, we had a discussion with Shilpi and Apurva. The team was amazing. All the process so far, it was smooth. Each and everything, they spent quite ample amount of time, to decide their design. It's not only what they want, they also take care of what we wanted. We wanted elegant and elegance, so you will definitely get the glimpse when you see this video. To be honest, we are really happy whatever the outcome in front of us. Not only us, family, and also the friends. We received a lot of feedback. Few of my friends are already, are like they're asking, give us the details as well. For me, whenever I am buying a new one, I have already my interior team with me, so I will go next there as well. So this is, I just would like to share, and we are very happy, and I would recommend each and everyone to go for it. You will never disappoint. Thank you.